glimpses of the sun were sweet. I didn't blink, I let it in my eyes. Like an exotic drink, the radio playing songs that I have never heard. I don't know what to say. Oh, not another word, just
yes, possessed, man, the lyrical savage. Every time I'm on the beat, I just start to ravish, tear it up like a beast. Nothing I do is average. From the west to the east, gotta make that cash. That's right. Cup full of drink, blunt full of grapes. Got the party cranking in the spot, handing out my tapes. Living boss since I was only 18. Your boy PLT in the Nakarima dream. It's just like Pop Loose, I wanna see you get loose. Mixing up the Henny, sipping on the dragon juice. Non-stop party when it starts going down. It's nothing but love from my city to your town. We do it moving everywhere, all around the world. Putting it down for my family, do it for my girl. Got music on my mind, do it every single day. From New York to the pyramids, from Sydney to the Bay. Yeah.
la la la. It goes around the world just la 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 la. It's all around the world just la 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 la. And everybody's singing la 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 la. And now the bells are ringing.
I started in this industry, to me it was a mystery. Now when I write raps, it's like I'm rewriting history. This wasn't supposed to happen, now we got you clapping. And every time we hit the club, you know we get it cracking. I'm all around the world with this music cause promotion. When I'm in the booth, I always keep it west coasted. It's time to multiply, push it out the units. When it comes to this music, I just utilize and use it. It's in the game, it's a motherfucking business.
Et voilà. La paroi de la salle de bain. Ça va Marie? C'est propre? J'espère que tu t'appliques hein.
Non.
Ah, tu t'appliques pas? T'es comme ça toi?
Une grosse dégueulasse.
Ah t'es comme ça toi?
Ouais.
Genre, on a même le... Comment ça s'appelle déjà? Un quoi? Mais non, je lâche plus le nom. Bref. Voilà. Chez nous, l'emploi du temps, c'est minuit, on colle du papier peint. Hein. T'aimes bien ça, Marie? Hein? T'adores, non? Hein? Ah ouais, je sais bien que t'adores ça. Si tu pouvais faire ça propre, ça arrangerait tout le monde.
Si tu me donnais la balayette, ce serait propre. Elle est là-bas.
Balayette. C'est un peu le bordel. Hein. Tiens, une bouteille de Volvic, dis donc.